Hey guys, welcome back to another Game Boy video. Today we're going to be playing some Bloxburg, as you just saw me load in. We are going to be reviewing the brand new Bloxburg update. This update has brought a lot of new things. Well, not a lot. It's actually quite a small update. It's brought some things, and they're quite good. So let's have a look. Yeah, this is something. Let's just bulldoze all of this, guys. Because literally, oh, I messed up. Because literally, I was going to do a YouTube video on this, but I deleted it because I really didn't want it. But so the new update on build has just brought a flared mansard, which looks really cool, and we are going to do that right now. So just build a wall like this. Let's just get the roof, the new flared mansard roof. So let's just do this. Right, so guys, this is the new flared mansard roof. It's very nice, but I wouldn't use it. So, the other things we have got the decorate. We have got a brand new round light switch. You can see, that's quite nice. Round light switch. And we've got industrial light switch. Quite nice. Then we've got a modern light switch. Let's have a little look at them. Very, very nice. I do like it. And also, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That was just a tiny weeny review of the new update in Bloxburg. And they have actually taken away all of the Halloween decorations now. They're out of the game. And next week we should get the new Christmas update. So I'm excited for that. Anyway, goodbye.